Hey guys, Stephen from Digger Australia here. Today we're going to be looking at our cleaner bucket broom. So the bucket broom is good for sweeping and collecting debris found on factory car parks, stockyards, roadsides and more. So the sweeper broom comes with high performance hydraulics as well as a heavy duty construction to ensure lifetime of the unit. On the side we have a motor guard that covers our quality Eaton motor, hose clamps to lock in your hydraulic hoses. On the back we've got two heavy duty steel caster wheels to stop the broom from rubbing on the ground. We've got adjustment handle system for easy adjustment of your brush level. On the top we've got two lifting tie down points so you can easily manoeuvre the broom off your machine and also strap it down for transport. Underneath we've got a 3-piece cutting edge which will save you time and money later once it wears to replace. It's got a 1-piece brush system for easy replacement. On the front we have extra rubber guards and wear plates. On the back we have a bolt-on slide frame which can suit any machine type. To empty the bucket once you've filled it, all you have to do is lift it up and tilt forward. It has a hinge system which will open the front of the broom and empty out what you've collected. There's no need to get out and actually touch the broom. You just pick it up, tilt forward and open, and everything will fall out. So the Digger Cleaner Bucket Broom is Australian made, suits skid steers, front end loaders and telehandlers. We also do a mini broom to suit mini machines, and we have an optional side broom attachment for all our brooms. So thanks guys, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, YouTube and Facebook, and we'll see you soon.